Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can simply add toolbar in Wix. So let's start. When you're in Wix and you're just clicking everything and whatever, you just want to go here to tools, and then you're gonna see here toolbar. And when you're gonna click on it, you're gonna see like literally everything here. That you can now duplicate this section, you can change the position of it. You can also click on layers that you would see all the layers here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, so again, you click on tools and click on toolbar. So have a great day and goodbye. And yeah, have a great day and see ya.